Want to enjoy and spend more time at the white sand beaches of Siquijor without worrying getting sunburned? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Maayong adlaw, this is J Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Siquijor. Made from South Korea, here's Medipil's Vitamin Dr. Essence Sun Cream. It has triple functions. Number 1, excellent UV protection with SPF 50+, PA++++, the highest ratings for UVA and UVB protection. Brightening as it has 32 times more polyphenols. It brightens dull and dark skin with green fruit ingredients. Number 3, wrinkle care and safe for sensitive skin. What I love about Medipil's Vitamin Dr. Essence Sun Cream are: Number 1, hindi oily at hindi malakit ang feeling once you applied it on your face and neck. Number 2, hindi ka nagmumukhang nasobrahan sa baby powder. And number 3, tamang level ng bango, hindi overpowering at hindi nakakahilo ang scent. Kung gusto niyo ring subukan ang Medipil's Vitamin Dr. Essence Sun Cream, order na sa kanilang official Shopee store by clicking the link sa description box at comments section. Again, this has been J Perpetual Kid and I hope you'll try Medipil's Vitamin Dr. Essence Sun Cream very soon. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!